Stop scrolling. Today's breaking news could be the single biggest leap in smart driving since the invention of GPS. Elon Musk just confirmed on stage and across his X feeds, GROK AI is rolling out to Tesla vehicles next week. This isn't just another software update. This is Tesla's boldest AI move ever. We're talking about the world's most controversial, smartest, and wildest chatbot. GROK now becoming your personal driving assistant, copilot, and maybe even your on-the-road best friend. And what will this do to your daily drive? Could it make Tesla the world's smartest car, or will it turn into the next AI disaster waiting to happen? We'll break down every hidden feature, all the risks, the secret drama behind Musk's timing, and what this means for you and the future of the AI car race. And trust me, you don't want to miss the rumors about what GROK will really be able to do behind the wheel. Before we dive deep, hit that subscribe button and smash the bell. If you want the latest, fastest, and wildest AI news first, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. 1. Why GROK AI in Teslas is a world changer. Let's start with the why. Why is this rollout making global headlines? Why is GROK in Tesla such a world changer, not just another update? For decades, the idea of talking to your car really talking was pure sci-fi. KTT from Knight Rider, Jarvis from Iron Man, even Herbie the Love Bug. But none of those cars had an AI like GROK. Now, in 2025, it's finally happening. GROK AI isn't just reading your texts or giving you traffic updates. It's a full conversational AI, able to answer your questions, joke with you, and even debate you on the meaning of life, all in real time. This isn't the stiff, repetitive voice assistant of yesterday. GROK is witty, contextual, sometimes sarcastic, and, let's be honest, sometimes unpredictable. Elon Musk knows the real future of the auto industry isn't just electric, it's intelligent. That's why Tesla is going all in, putting GROK in every new car, over the air, no dealership visit required. Tesla is challenging every big player, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, Amazon's Alexa, even Mercedes MBUX AI by promising the boldest, most human-like AI experience on four wheels. The competition is fierce. Whoever wins the AI in your car race is poised to dominate not just the roads, but the entire future of personal mobility. Why is Musk doing this now? XAI just dropped GROK 4, the latest and smartest AI ever released from Musk Labs. The timing is strategic as OpenAI, Google, and Amazon race for digital assistant dominance. Musk is skipping straight to the most important, real-world battleground, your car. This is also about making headlines and staying ahead of scandals. Recent GROK controversies show the AI is wild, but Musk is betting Tesla. Drivers want something bolder than Siri or Alexa. Imagine a road trip where your car not only drives itself, but becomes your navigator, DJ, news anchor, and even therapist. You say, GROK, I need to chill. The car dims the lights, cues your favorite playlist, reroutes you through scenic roads, and starts a conversation about stress management. Or, GROK, is it going to rain on my route? Instant contextual weather analysis, jokes about British weather, and even advice to pack your umbrella, all without missing a beat. This is the future. And for Tesla owners, it's arriving next week. 2. Under the hood. What GROK AI can actually do in your Tesla. Let's go deeper. What exactly will GROK do inside your Tesla? What makes it so much more powerful and controversial than any car assistant before it? GROK doesn't need you to say, hey GROK, every time. It listens, remembers context, and can hold a real conversation. Whether you want to rant about your boss or debate the existence of aliens, GROK is known for its edgy, meme-worthy sense of humor. This makes road trips and long drives less lonely, more human, and sometimes a little weird. Take me to the best ramen spot within 20 miles. Find the nearest EV charger and estimate wait time. What's the fastest route with the best mountain views? GROK understands nuance, your habits, your schedule, and even your mood, giving answers Google Maps simply can't. On demand, GROK can recommend trending podcasts, generate custom playlists, play trivia games with kids in the backseat, or even narrate a short story for your drive. It will break news headlines, summarize social media trends, and even read your emails if you allow. GROK will manage reminders, make calendar bookings, handle hands-free texts, and set up meetings while you drive. Early leaks suggest GROK will monitor for fatigue. You seem tired. Want to take a break? Distraction, and even emotional distress. It could offer to route you if you're upset, suggest mindfulness exercises, or call for help in an emergency. Expect Easter eggs, hidden jokes, and interactive mini-games only discoverable by savvy users. Some code watchers suspect GROK will allow. Coding your own car routines, imagine saying, GROK, whenever I get home, lower the windows and play jazz. All this comes with privacy questions. Tesla claims all data stays encrypted, but you'll want to check your settings. GROK's always listening mode can be disabled, but if you want the full experience, you'll need to trust the system. Bottom line, this is the deepest, most advanced integration of AI and car tech in history, giving you the chance to test it first. 3. The big risks, controversy, chaos, and the dark side of AI in cars. Let's get honest. With great power comes great controversy. What could possibly go wrong with putting the world's most unpredictable chatbot into a moving vehicle? Just last week, GROK made global headlines for producing offensive content, forcing XAI to issue an apology and new guardrails. GROK's humor is cutting edge, but in a high-stakes, driving context, jokes could be misunderstood or distract the driver. Will Tesla keep your conversations safe from prying eyes, hackers, or even law enforcement? Critics worry about always-on microphones, location tracking, and deep data mining. Safety experts are raising alarms. Will drivers become too reliant on GROK? Could it distract more than help? Tesla says the AI is hyper-optimized for in-car safety, with context-aware limits like silencing itself during complex driving or emergencies. But this is the real-world test. What happens if GROK misinterprets a command, gives a wrong direction, or cracks a joke at the wrong time? What's Tesla's protocol for AI gone rogue moments? Governments and regulators worldwide are already scrutinizing AI assistants for safety and fairness. With GROK's notorious unpredictability, Tesla could face lawsuits if the AI is involved in an accident, gives bad advice, or malfunctions. Not everyone is ready to embrace AI as a copilot. Some may feel uncomfortable, some may love it, and some may want to shut GROK off completely. This rollout is not just a tech upgrade. It's a social experiment on a global scale. If GROK works, expect a tidal wave of competitors, copycats, and even black market mods. If it fails, Tesla could face a huge PR disaster, giving competitors a clear opening. 4. How this changes the car industry and the world. Let's zoom out. Why does broken Tesla matter not just for drivers, but for the entire future of mobility, AI, and global tech? Once again, Tesla is forcing every automaker to innovate or be left behind. If GROK delivers on its promise, intelligent cars will become the new baseline, not the exception. Analysts are already predicting a new wave of car AI startups, partnerships, and acquisitions. Auto industry giants are racing to catch up. GROK is a test case. If AI can run a moving vehicle, hold natural conversations, and keep people engaged and safe, it can do anything: home, office, classroom, hospital. This accelerates the age of ambient intelligence, where AI is everywhere, invisible, helping, and sometimes watching us 24/7. Who owns the data wins the future. With every car becoming a rolling sensor suite, Tesla could own the largest, richest real-world dataset on Earth. Expect major pushback from privacy advocates, regulators, and even rival tech giants. The fight for AI supremacy just shifted to the highways. The first wave of GROK features will seem magical. Zero-touch navigation, personalized entertainment, stress-busting banter, productivity on the go. For families, this could mean safer commutes, less stress, and new ways to stay connected. For workers and entrepreneurs, the Office on Wheels concept gets a serious AI upgrade. This is more than technology, it's culture change. Cars are no longer just machines, they're becoming companions, helpers, even friends. Will we bond with our cars? Will GROK become as iconic as Siri, Alexa, or even the iPhone? The story is just beginning, and you're witnessing history in real time. 5. What happens next? How to get ready, and what to watch for. So, what's next? How can you get ready, and what should you look for in the days and weeks ahead? If you already own a Tesla, make sure your software is updated and you've got your Tesla account ready. Next week, over-the-air updates will begin rolling out. You may need to opt into GROK early. Access via your dashboard or the Tesla app. Review your privacy and voice assistant settings. Decide what GROK can access, remember, and share. Don't expect perfection on day one. Early reports suggest GROK will be in beta. Some features may be limited, and some answers may be unusual. Tesla and XAI will likely update GROK weekly, adding new features, fixing bugs, and responding to user feedback. Be vocal. Share your experiences, good and bad, in Tesla forums on social media and in the comments below this video. Must-own lead slides promise more. 1. Multimodal GROK Understanding Images and Video by September 2. Developer API for custom GROK skills. 3. Possible integration with Starlink for always connected AI on the road. 4. Video and AR-based driving support for visually impaired drivers. This is a living experiment. Your feedback will literally help decide how AI evolves in cars. found a bug, a wild new GROK personality, or an amazing Easter egg, share it and shape the world's most ambitious AI rollout. Expect every major car brand to announce rival AI systems, some powered by Google, some by OpenAI, and a few surprise newcomers. The next wave, AI copilots that manage your smart home, schedule your life, and even help you start your next business from the driver's seat. The future is now, and you're in the front seat. This is it, the dawn of the truly smart car, and maybe the next chapter in the story of human and AI partnership. Will GROK and Tesla cars become the new normal? Or the next tech controversy? Is this the upgrade that changes everything, or just the start of something even bigger? One thing's for sure, this story isn't over. You're witnessing a turning point. AI isn't in the cloud anymore, it's right beside you, in your daily life, on the road ahead. So don't blink. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and join our AI revolution. We'll be covering every GROK update, every hidden feature, every twist in the race to build the world's smartest car. Drop your wildest GROK wish in the comments. Would you trust GROK as your daily co-pilot? What features do you hope for? What's your biggest concern? Links to the latest GROK news, beta sign-up info, and Tesla updates are in the description below. Stay tuned, because the future is arriving faster than you think. This is AI Horizon Daily, bringing you the world's first, fastest, and most mind-blowing AI news. See you on the road with GROK.